Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make some chicken wings. I've got a bunch of chicken wings here, and we're gonna go ahead and cook them up in my air fryer. And we are gonna use the wing sauce that we made together a few weeks ago. So let's get started. All right, friends, so for the beginning part, I've got my chicken wings. I washed them really good. I dried them, and then we're just gonna go ahead and season them with some Lawry's seasoned salt. All right, friends, so once our seasoning is done, we're gonna go ahead and place them into the air fryer and arrange them nicely. Set our temperature to 375, and we're gonna let them go for 15 minutes, and then we will flip them and let them go for another 15 minutes. So I'll see y'all back in about 15 minutes. All right, friends, while we are waiting for our chicken to finish cooking, we are gonna get started on our wing sauce. And what you need is 1/3 of a cup of butter and your wing sauce of choice. We are using what we made together. You can use Frank's Red Hot, you can use any hot sauce that you like, but we're gonna go ahead and use the wing sauce that we made together. So let's get started. All right, friends, so on the stove, we're gonna go ahead and melt our butter. Now that our butter has melted, we're gonna go ahead and add it in our wing sauce. And I'm doing 1/3 of a cup of wing sauce. Doing this to combine, and then we are going to bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 2 minutes. All right, friends, so this has now been boiling for a couple minutes. I'm just going to turn it off the heat and let it sit off to the side until we're ready to use it. All right, friends, so it's been 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip our wings, and back they go into the air fryer for another 15 minutes. All right, friends, for the last 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and crank up the heat to 400, and that way it can give a nice crispy outer layer. All right, friends, so our chicken is now done. We're gonna go ahead and put them into a mixing bowl. Look at how crispy those are. Now take your wing sauce and drizzle it on top. Give them a good mix so that they are all coated with your wing sauce. And then plate them up. There we go. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.